Okay? So the first thing I want to talk about is that Grandmaster Leo Giron, I think we all know his story. There are many great stories in the martial arts, in the Filipino martial arts, but the story of Grandmaster Leo Giron is, I feel, unique in the way that he was able to use his sword in combat in modern times. It seems to be unheard of to me that happened, although many people that we don't know their story were fighting against the Imperial Japanese Army in the Philippines during World War II. That's the story of my teacher, Grandmaster Giron. He was a United States commando fighting in the Philippines for Douglas MacArthur, and ended up on many occasions using his sword in combat because they needed to be quiet, they needed to be secret in their movements. He was a radio operator. Their unit was the 978 Signal Corps. They were responsible for spying on a Japanese position, radioing the position back to their command post. But when they would make that radio announcement, the Japanese would triangulate on their position, and then they would know where they are, so they would come to get them. While they were trying to escape that position, that was when the engagements would happen. As they'd be running through the jungle, a patrol would pop up and they would have to fight their way through it. And they like to use the Talonason sword, the 36-inch long sword, or the sword that we call the Kalishaw, which is a 24, 26-inch weapon that was actually used by Grandmaster Giron on the left side.